Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Mike here from Health and Fitness 101. Ever dreamt of having your own personal gym, but your wallet is screaming, "No way, Jose"? Well, today we're going to talk about how you can build a budget-friendly home gym. So, let's dive right in. Imagine this. You're a chef, and your kitchen is your gym. Now, you don't need a fancy 5-star kitchen to cook a delicious meal, right? You just need the right ingredients. The same goes for your home gym. You don't need the most expensive equipment to get a killer workout. You just need the right tools. First off, let's talk about space. You don't need a massive room to create your home gym. A corner of your living room, your garage, or even your bedroom can work. It's like setting up a small coffee station in your kitchen. You don't need a whole cafe, just a little corner with the essentials. Now, let's talk about the ingredients, or the equipment. Start with the basics: a yoga mat, a set of dumbbells, and a resistance band. These are like your salt, pepper, and olive oil in cooking. They're versatile, and you can use them in a multitude of ways. Next, consider a stability ball and a jump rope. These are like your spices. They add a little extra flavor to your workouts, making them more challenging and fun. And finally, if you can stretch your budget a bit, consider a kettlebell or a pull-up bar. These are like your special ingredients, the ones that can really elevate your dish, or in this case, your workout. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive equipment or the biggest space. It's about making the most of what you have. It's like cooking a simple yet delicious meal with just a few ingredients. So there you have it, folks. Your guide to building a budget-friendly home gym. Remember, the key is to start small and gradually add more equipment as your fitness level improves and your budget allows. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us to keep bringing you more content like this. And remember, fitness is not about being better than someone else. It's about being better than you used to be. So, get out there, start building your home gym, and take the first step towards a healthier, fitter you. This is Mike from Health and Fitness 101 signing off. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay